Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, the 5th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather improving today. Showers ending early this morning, some sun this afternoon. The warmest weekend so far this year, and maybe some strong storms around here by Sunday night or Monday. Let's check things out this morning. There's the upper air look. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. Got a shortwave trough rotating through here. That brought rain overnight. That was the radar this morning at 4:59. You can see a few lingering showers, and most likely those will be gone by 7 or 8 o'clock this morning. The rest of the day should be dry. Upper 50s and low 60s to start the day. Highs should be up in the middle 70s today. Check the watch warning map. Got some fog issues in scattered pockets across the middle of the country. In fact, a dense fog advisory issued for parts of the Tennessee Valley. As I'm doing this update, that fog will dissipate by mid-morning. Severe storms a possibility today for parts of Texas and Oklahoma. And we note down in extreme South Alabama, a marginal risk of severe storms later today and early tonight. No major threat, but a few storms there could produce gusty winds, maybe some small hail. Tomorrow, got a big risk of severe storms for parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana. No risk defined here. And then on day 3, this is for Sunday and Sunday night. A risk of severe storms from the western Gulf Coast up into parts of Kentucky and southern Illinois, Indiana, and Missouri. And we note that this risk clips parts of Alabama. Keep in mind, this runs through 7 a.m. Monday. This is mainly for Sunday night where we are. I got the standard slight risk for areas west of a line from near Huntsville down to about Linden, and a marginal risk as far east as Gadsden and Clanton and Monroeville. And we'll talk more about this in a moment. There's no risk defined beyond that at this point after 7 a.m. Monday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. You can see much of the country will see some rain. The dry weather will be in the southwest. Rain amounts for Alabama mostly between 1 and 2 inches between now and Friday morning of next week. So, model fans, let's dive in. Here's the GFS, the 06C run at 1 o'clock today. A little short wave is east of the state, new trough in the west. And again, for us, we have clouds this morning giving way to a partly sunny afternoon. The high should be in the middle 70s. Tomorrow, as the weekend begins, warm will be up around 80, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. And yes, there will be a few scattered storms around, but a decent part of the day should be dry. And of course, kind of hard to define exactly when and where it rains, but got something planned outdoors. Just be aware you might have to dodge a shower or storm during the day, but other than that, mostly dry and warm. Here's Sunday, pretty much the same deal. A good chance we see low 80s. The sky partially sunny, and again, there could be a few widely scattered showers or storms. A decent part of the day should be dry. Now, Sunday night, thunderstorms become more numerous as a surface low forms near Texarkana, Arkansas. And those could be fairly strong. We'll be in the warm sector. And then Monday, that surface low just kind of sits over southern Arkansas, and we'll see a number of showers and thunderstorms around. And we'll check the instability, and you can see a fairly moist air mass will be in place, an unstable air mass across the deep south. So there certainly could be a few strong storms on Monday. A little early to be specific about the severe weather possibilities. It depends on, will there be a cluster of storms in the Gulf Coast to cut off the inflow? Will there be big storms overnight, Sunday night, to stabilize things? We'll just kind of watch the situation evolve over the weekend. But clearly, Monday looks wet with rain and thunderstorms likely. And then Tuesday, the system moves on. There could be a few lingering showers, maybe Tuesday morning. Then Tuesday afternoon should be dry. The high will be in the upper 70s. And this is Wednesday. We are dry and warm. Again, we could see low 80s, the sky sunny. A very deep surface low develops over northwestern Kansas, but there's really no moisture to work with this feature. Let's go to Thursday. And again, that surface low advances rapidly over to around Cleveland and Erie. And again, with the trailing front, it basically looks inactive. So at this point, we'll leave it dry. There might be a shower with a trailing front, but for now, we don't expect any severe weather. And this is a week from today, Friday the 12th. Very deep upper low that's over Southern California. And for us, that looks dry and pleasant. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 14th. Got a trough north and west of the state, and that might bring a batch of showers and storms in here if that verifies. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS Ensemble. You can see a few days with low 80s. Otherwise, highs mostly in the 70s and lows mostly in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.